After independence from the British rule on the 14th of August 1947, the western and eastern parts of Pakistan started the journey of independence together. However, in the next 10 to 12 years, the social and economic gap between the two sections widened. The per capita income of West Pakistan was 32% more than the per capita income of residents of East Pakistan, and in the next 10 years this difference went up to 81%. On December 16, 1971, when East Pakistan came into existence in the form of Bangladesh, at that time there was a huge difference in the economic indicators of Pakistan and Bangladesh, including the country's economic growth rate, the size of the country's economy, per capita income, exports, etc. Was at that time, Pakistan had a considerable advantage over Bangladesh. The economic indicators of Pakistan have improved a lot. Bangladesh has been far ahead of Pakistan in some sectors, especially in the garment export sector. Bangladesh currently exports a lot of garments. After 52 years for the economic development of Pakistan and Bangladesh GDP per capita income, external trade and poverty sector, she compare the two countries' government institutions of both countries, and it has been done on the data released by the World Bank. In 1972, the first year after its establishment on December 16, 1971, Bangladesh recorded a negative 13% economic growth rate. According to the data on the World Bank website, the economic growth rate of Pakistan in the same year was about 1%. Due to the war, the economy of both the regions was devastated, but the pace of economic development of Pakistan was 7% in the next year, while that of Bangladesh was negative. The fiscal year of Bangladesh and Pakistan begins on July 1st of each year and ends on June 30th of the following year. After 52 years, in the fiscal year ending on June 30, 2023, according to the Economic Survey, the growth rate of Pakistan's economy was less than 1%, i.e., 0.29%. The growth rate of the economy of Bangladesh was 6%. However, it should be noted that the pace of economic development of Bangladesh continuously growing at more than 6% for 12 to 13 years, while on the other hand, the economic development of Pakistan in the past -10 between 3 and 4% in 12 years. This year it was less than 1%. Currently, the size of the economy of Bangladesh is $454 billion, while the size of Pakistan's economy is $340 billion. World Bank data shows, Bangladesh's per capita income was $90 in 1972, compared to Pakistan's per capita income of $150. According to Economic Survey of Pakistan last fiscal year, at the end, the per capita income of Pakistanis was $1,568. Compared to this, according to the Economic Review of Bangladesh, the per capita income of citizens was $2,687. The difference in per capita income between Pakistan and Bangladesh has also been huge in the last 52 years. According to World Bank data, Bangladesh's per capita income was $90 in 1972, compared to Pakistan's per capita income of $150. The per capita income graph of Bangladesh has been steadily rising, while the per capita income graph of Pakistan has been moving up and down during this period. According to Economic Survey of Pakistan last fiscal year, at the end, the per capita income of Pakistanis was $1,568. Compared to this, according to the Economic Review of Bangladesh, the per capita income of citizens was $2,687. According to the data of the World Bank, in the year 2000, the poverty level in Bangladesh was 49%, but in 2 decades, it recorded a significant reduction in its rate. According to the World Bank, the poverty rate in Pakistan has reached 39.4% in the last financial year, while in 2018, the poverty rate in Pakistan was 22%.